Hello everyone! Welcome to Top Tips for Entrepreneur channel. I'm Lady Tier, and today we're diving into the electric car industry. If you dream of starting your own electric car manufacturing business, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Market research and analysis. Know your market inside out. Use online surveys, in-person focus groups, and competitor analysis. Define your target market and study regulations. Gauge customer interest before launching. Tips. Research thoroughly and stay compliant with regulations to avoid legal pitfalls. Step 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan, your roadmap to success. Craft a mission statement, analyze the market, create a financial plan, define your organizational structure, and plan your marketing and sales strategy. Tips. Engage with industry experts, use data-driven analysis, and keep your business plan updated. Step 3. Secure funding. Turn your dreams into reality with the right financial support. Create a solid business plan, identify potential investors, present your plan, and offer equity or debt. Tips. Prepare a detailed financial plan and consider crowdfunding as an alternative funding option. Step 4. Obtain permits and licenses. Ensure legal compliance for a smooth journey. Research, contact authorities, complete applications, understand tax requirements, and renew permits on time. Tips. Hire a professional to ensure compliance and avoid legal issues. Step 5. Establish a strong supply chain, the backbone of your manufacturing process. Identify reliable suppliers, build long-term relationships, diversify your sources, and maintain effective communication. Tips. Monitor inventory and keep the supply chain efficient. Step 6. Research and develop technology. Stay ahead with continuous innovation. Keep up with developments, collaborate with experts, conduct internal R&D, and focus on performance and efficiency. Tips. Engage in discussions and forums and follow major players like Tesla for insights. Step 7. Battery partnerships, the heart of an electric car. Conduct research, contact potential partners, negotiate terms, and sign a comprehensive partnership agreement. Tips. Align your values with the manufacturer's sustainability practices. Step 8. Design high-quality components, the key to success. Conduct thorough research, invest in modern equipment, hire skilled engineers, and test components rigorously. Tips. Invest in modern equipment and skilled engineers for top-notch components. Step 9. Charging station network, essential for electric vehicle adoption. Understand charging requirements, identify locations, partner with manufacturers, obtain permits, provide guidance, and develop a mobile app. Tips. Collaborate with other manufacturers and invest in renewable energy for sustainability. In conclusion, building a successful electric car manufacturing business is an exciting journey. Follow these 9 steps, and you'll be on your way to a greener future. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay charged, stay green, and see you in the next video.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.